Pull up and out. 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 Alright, so right now I'm going to be going to AutoZone to grab 2 breathers. Probably going to do one right now. I may not do both. So I'm going to be installing one where the PCV valve is, and it's going to help remedy the oil consumption. I'm only going to install one right now. I'm going to do the other one at a later time, most likely. And yeah, I'm not going to do the catch can setup because I'm selling the car, and that adds extra maintenance. And for the new owner, if they want to install a catch can, they can do that. But I'm not going to do that. So hopefully it works. Hopefully it helps a bit. And yeah, so let's head to AutoZone and get the breathers. Hopefully they have it at the one that's closer to the house, even though they're basically the same distance. But let's go. So have one of the Spectra filters. For some reason, they're all the same. Focus, but this one is 10 and these are 12. Granted, I didn't much care for the blue, but saving $2, so I might as well just grab this blue one. I'm gonna need another one, but yeah. Okay, each store only carries one, so I had to come to another one, and I just got 2 blue ones because they're the cheapest ones. They're all the same, but for some reason the blue ones are cheaper. So yeah, I got 2 blue ones. Hopefully they fit, and yeah, so I'll get back to you guys when I'm home. I forgot to record it, but I'll record it when I do the other one. So I drilled out the center of the PCV valve, so there's no more spring. You can see the spring right here, and I use this drill bit right here. I don't remember what size that is. I think that's like a 13/32 or something like that. Same thing I use for the airlift whatever. But yeah, I just have to clean out this inside so nothing like drops in. But yeah, that was like the perfect size. I eyeballed it, and luckily the thing came out. So now I just have to open that and hope it's the right size, clamp it down, and then I use that as the breather. And then I use this thingy, one of these, to close off the other end. I'll show you guys in like 2 seconds. Okay, so right here is the old but new PCV valve thing. So you remove this, hopefully you guys can, yeah, you guys can see it in the corner over there.
Met some shorties at the club, but can't remember they face. Cause before we hit the crib, they both depart with their panties. The start is like the end, like the career.
Hopefully I don't knock down the camera.
Randy, I've been flexed by the guys, had me crazed by the lords. She enjoyed the bumps, so only blood a drip from her nose. Are you copping some lean? Are you popping some Zans? Trying to keep it discreet in the next room from her pants. Shorty trying to bust it. She just a teen with some angst, so like to puff on some plants, man. You fucking with my cheetahs, got bangs for the cougar, smoking blunts by the zipper, making storms like a trooper. Han Lobos and the Falcons.
Alright, so I removed that, and then this, I believe it's like a 23mm or something like that, but since I don't have one, I'm just going to use this. Screw it off.
Niggas wanna know what the process is. I ain't really down with the gossiping. I'm acknowledging. The niggas counting dollars for the profit to get up out they mama crib. And we go with the shots again. It get hot, niggas think that it's safe to play the block again.
And make sure you don't drop anything down there in that hole.
Got no name, so don't think that you can dodge this shit. Rolling through the hood with no consequence.
And remember, you're gonna need an extra one. I already have an extra one because I replaced it. This is the new one that I bought a couple videos ago. So I'm gonna keep this to the side because I'm gonna have to bore that one out. This is the original one that I had before. So I'm gonna screw this one in.
In the kitchen stirring up the pot again. Got the A4 and almost got the Glock with it. But the AR had a better pop to it. Automatic kick, no, not the shift. No, not the shift. Switching up coast for the liveliness.
And then tighten it a little bit, because it does not need to be too tight. And then put the breather on. And then get the clamp. On. Alright, so I just tightened the little clamp on that. Now you push the little blocking thingy on the end of that. And I'm gonna get a clamp for it, but for now I'm gonna throw like 2 zip ties on it. The clamp alone should be fine, but you know, just the zip tie. And the engine is still super hot. My God, that is really hot. So I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna leave that as is. It's gonna be fine. So that is one end of the PVC delete on one side, and I'm gonna have to do the other side, but the engine is too hot, so I can't do it right now. So I'll probably just continue it in another video. So when I do it, I'll let you guys know. Unless it happens to be in the next clip, which you'll see. Alright, so this is the other PCV valve. Focus. Yeah, I can't tell if it's focused or not, but you use the, I believe it's a 30 seconds drill or a stepped drill thingy, and you, hopefully you guys can see, you drill into the top, just make sure the thing does not move. And hopefully you guys saw that. Once you drill in, hold on, not big enough, have to drill in a little more. Hopefully I don't. Okay. Well, this one has a little bit of edges, so I have to use the drill to widen it out a bit, so give me a second. Okay, so after a little bit of finagling, focus, the thing came out and you can see straight through it. And you just clean out the inside and make sure there's no plastic pieces that are going to drop back down into your oil pan, because that's not going to be fun. And you put the little breather on top, tighten the clamp, and then you put it onto the PVC pipe thingamajiggy.